Sing the ABCs with animals so sweet. Each letter brings a new friend to me. Beat A to Z, come and sing with me. The ABC animal song, wild and free. A is for alligator, big and strong. B is for bunny, hopping along. C is for cat with a soft meow. D is for dog, barking right now. E is for elephant, ear so wide. F is for fox, sneaky in the woods to hide. G is for giraffe, tall as can be. H is for horse, galloping so free. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jellyfish, down below. K is for kangaroo, hopping high. L is for lion, roaring in the sky. M is for monkey, swinging through the trees. N is for narwhal, swimming in the seas. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for penguin, sliding with delight. Q is for quail, running on the ground. R is for rabbit, hopping all around. S is for snake, slithering low. T is for turtle, moving nice and slow. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for whale, swimming in the deep. X is for cirrus, a squirrel you'll meet. Y is for yak with a shaggy coat. Z is for zebra with stripes that float. Now we sum the alphabet, A to Z. These animals are here for you and me. Sing the ABCs with animals so sweet. Each letter brings a new friend to me. A to Z, come and sing with me. The ABC animal song, wild and free. Sing the ABCs with animals so sweet. Each letter brings a new friend to me. A to Z, come and sing with me. The ABC animal song, wild and free.
Subscribe to my channel.